Hey guys, it is C with Atlantic Knife, and we're going to do about a 5-minute review on the Zero Tolerance Sinkevich 0460 titanium model. It's a flipper. Let's go ahead and open it up here. Comes packaged like every other ZT. Go ahead and show it to you here. We'll start off talking specs on the knife. It's 7.5 inches overall. Blades 3 1/4. The steel's been upgraded. It's now a CPM 20 CV steel. It has a flat grind, satin finish on the blade, plain edge of course. The handle length is 4 1/4 inches. Handle material is titanium. That's front and back. The weight is only 2.3 ounces. This unfortunately is just a right-handed carry. Tip up. It's a manual flipper. Frame lock. The pocket clip has Zero Tolerance, not the logo, but Zero Tolerance on it. This is designed by Sinkevich. He does several ZT knives. I can't even remember how many, at least 6 that I can remember. This has the upswept blade. It has a black anodized back spacer that matches the pocket clip. ZT considers this a EDC, or an everyday carry. So let's show you how it cuts. We'll get some paracord here. We'll start on this small piece. Now, like every other ZT, it cuts very nicely moving forward. That might be a little too small, but guess not. It utilizes the KVT ball bearing system. It has a smooth opening, as you would expect. You can easily open and close this knife with one hand. We'll cut a little cord here. Feel like that this is too easy. We should pick something a little more difficult. I mean, I'm just barely touching it. We'll bring some cardboard up here and show you how it cuts. I think I can just do a zigzag pattern through this thing. It'll just, it's just ridiculous. It cuts so well. So, this is the ZT 0460ti, designed by Sinkevich. If you guys like what you see, we'd like for you to, if you're watching on IGTV, to follow us at Atlantic Knife. We do these reviews pretty much daily. And if you're watching on YouTube, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And watch our weekly show. It comes out every Friday. Jewel and I go over all the new knives of the week. It's hilarious. It's clean for everyone. And with that note, I will leave you with I am C with Atlantic Knife, and I am signing off.